Understanding similes. It's hot as an oven. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of similes using a very common phrase, "It's hot as an oven." This expression is a great example of how English speakers often use vivid imagery to describe feelings, weather conditions, and more. So, if you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it in your everyday conversations, you're in the right place. Before we dive into our specific phrase, it's crucial to understand what a simile is. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words like or as. It's a way to make descriptions more expressive and vivid. For example, saying, "as brave as a lion," compares someone's bravery to the well-known courage of a lion. Similes help listeners or readers to imagine what is being described more vividly by connecting the description to familiar images or experiences. Now, let's focus on our phrase, "It's hot as an oven." "It's hot" is a straightforward statement that describes the temperature of a place or a day as being very high. The addition of "as an oven" uses the simile to compare this high temperature to the inside of an oven, which is known to be extremely hot because it's designed to cook food. This phrase doesn't mean the place is literally as hot as an oven, which can reach temperatures far beyond what is bearable for humans. Instead, it's a hyperbolic way to emphasize just how uncomfortably hot it feels. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can help you sound more like a native speaker. You might use "it's hot as an oven" when describing a particularly hot day, especially in the summer, complaining or commenting about the temperature in a room without air conditioning. Trying to vividly describe the feeling of being in a very warm place to someone who is not there. Remember, while it's a descriptive and vivid way to communicate, it's best used in informal settings among friends, family, or in casual conversations. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "It's hot as an oven." We hope this video not only helped you understand this specific simile but also enhanced your appreciation for the richness and creativity of the English language. Using similes in your speech can make your descriptions more colorful and engaging. So, the next time you experience a scorching hot day, you'll have the perfect phrase to describe it. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Stay curious, and keep learning.